Today we're going to be talking about, well, first, welcome back to Weather with Noah. This is one of my Weather with Noah videos. Today we're going to be talking about Hurricane Irma, a very powerful and strong hurricane right here in Florida. Well, next to Florida. Right now it's in Cuba, and tomorrow it will actually make landfall in Florida at 8 a.m. So today we're going to be talking about the basics. Of course it's a hurricane. My brother Tristan gave me this. It's part of a wheel. This is an example of a hurricane. It spins, right? The wheel spins, of course.
Yeah, and there's an eye also.
Yes.
It had two houses
and there's an eye. Next to the eye, if this were a hurricane, next to the eye would be the eye wall. Then the rain band. Today we're going to be talking about the strongest part of a hurricane, which is the eye wall, which has heavy rain and heavy winds. Winds up to or above 100 miles per hour. And then the rain bands right here, as we're going to show you. This is just a close-up of the rain bands right here. The rain bands right here, as you can see, have lots of rain in them.
So
I didn't color it that good because, of course, it's just drawing what I did. Okay.
Did you ask Mom to color this wall?
Not that. You'll see what I mean. Well, today we're going to be talking about... I need to sit down. I just need to. Today we're going to be talking about, well, impacts Florida can see.
The song? I'm just watching the video.
Florida, turn it down, please. Florida can see gigantic impacts from Hurricane Irma. So impacts like storm surge, winds, and of course rain, flooding. Really, the rain causes the flooding. But you get what I mean. The storm surge also causes flooding. So what we're going to talk about first is the storm surge. A storm surge is just a dome of water raised by a hurricane. And when a hurricane comes on shore, it raises all the water under it, which means that the water will go into land and basically flood it, just like Hurricane Harvey did with Texas. So that's going to be dangerous for Florida, as we are talking about a Category 5 or 4 hurricane making landfall. Then we have, well, the wind. Wind can knock down houses, knock down trees, basically do anything. What is it? There's also a tornado risk with Hurricane Irma. Irma is a very powerful hurricane, and it might actually have tropical tornadoes in it. My shoe just fell off. Okay, so after the wind, which is easy to describe, we're now going to be talking about the rain. Right here, we have rain. Right here, it's not drawn so good. It's just like a mixture of green, yellows, and red. But pretend it's rain. Okay, the red hardest part of the rain, of the storm. And then yellow, mid, and then of course green is the lowest risk of flooding, or not like, what's it called? Not like too hard of rain. Red hardest, and then yellow mid. Gabby, stop pointing out there.
Oh, my hair is blowing.
Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a good day. Gabby, press the